You've probably seen this on big channels. When you click the gear icon on a YouTube video, there's an audio track option where you can switch languages. So how do you add that to your own videos? Let's do it. First, open YouTube Studio. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select YouTube Studio. Now, find the video you want to add another audio language to and click on it. From the left menu, click Next, click Add Language and choose the language you want, for example, French. After selecting the language, you'll see an audio section. Hover over it and click Add. Quick note, this feature is still rolling out, so if you don't see the audio option yet, it may not be available on your channel right now. If you do see it, click Select File, then upload your dubbed audio track. Make sure the audio file is already synced with the video because YouTube won't let you edit the timing after uploading. Once the file is uploaded, click Publish. Now, viewers will be able to open the Settings gear icon, go to Audio Track, and switch to your new language. And that's it. That's how to add multi-language audio tracks to a YouTube video. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.